Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a peachy coral makeup look using the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk eyeshadow palette. This is what the palette looks like. Let's get started with these matte colors. The first shade is the peach one, which I'm using all over the lid as a base and neutralizing color. Next I'm using that darker coral sort of warm brick brown color to give a really strong definition to my crease. Next I'm using that creamy buttery sort of matte color just under the brow to give a clean definition to my brows, and then a pale light gold color all over the central part of the lid. To define my lower lash line, I'm using that same warm corally brown color all along the lower lash line, using it pretty thickly because I'm not going to be doing anything else to my waterline or the lower lash line. Since I'm working with pale and sort of bright colors here, a liner always helps in making the look a little more wearable. So I'm doing a nice thick winged eyeliner, and I'm using a liner by Tarte for this. You can use any gel liner, any liquid liner that you want. Next I'm using some mascara, using 2 coats on the top as well as the bottom lashes. But before I do the bottom lashes, I'm just going to finish up the under eye work using a bit of concealer. This one is by NYX. Just patting it in a triangular shape roughly and blending it out with a brush. I'm then going to do the bottom lashes and then finish off the eye look with a pair of false lashes. I'm using Farah number 24 lashes by Huda Beauty. I really like these because they've got these really flared ends and they give just a really nice lifted look to the eyes, and they are definitely on the more dramatic side, so I would reserve these for special occasions. And to finish off, just a touch more eyeshadow to define the crease and for the lower lash line. Now for the lips, I'm using the Huda Beauty lip contour and the liquid matte lipstick in the shade Icon, which is like this dirty coral sort of a color. This is a color that is going to look different on different skin tones. On my medium complexion, there's definitely quite a bit of coral and pinkish tone to it. On deeper complexions, this might look more like a nude peach or coral color, so do be mindful of your skin tone when you think of buying this particular shade. And once I've done the lip contour, I'm going to use the liquid lipstick over it. Next we have the Huda Beauty 3D highlighting palette. I'm using a combination of that pale gold and that soft peach color to highlight my cheekbones. Also going to use a little bit of it down the bridge of my nose and a little bit on the cupid's bow just to complete the highlighter. And that is the final finished look. You can get the lipstick, the lashes, as well as the Desert Dusk palette from Nykaa. I'm going to put the links in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Bye.